I think there's 10 faith drivers that you mentioned in the book, and how can businesses apply this to build trust and enhance reputation?
Faith drivers are critical because once you have people that believe in you, we see this with social media influencers. A lot of these strategies actually come from my decade plus working with the biggest YouTubers and celebrities in the world, seeing how they do what they do. And faith drivers are a big piece of it, just reinforcing the same message over and over again. The one big takeaway I would give you from the faith drivers, you could read all about them in the book, but the best faith drivers come from other people. So anything you say about your brand, it means something and it's important. But the minute you have other people saying it, you just multiply the effect of it by 5, 10x, because all of a sudden the bias that's naturally built into all of us to say we're so fantastic, when other people say it, it's way more powerful. We see this in reviews. If you can say, honestly, we have over 1,000 5-star reviews, that is an amazing faith driver. If you can say, hey, this book was written about us or this study was done, those are sort of where you get the most. And we see this also with user-generated content on social, influencer marketing. When you can have other people expressing your message for you, it goes way further than anything you could say.